Hello everyone, this is William Amzalag. Welcome to a new episode of Jeunesse Longevity TV. Baolife. If I tell you 6 times more antioxidant than in blueberries, 6 times more vitamin C than in oranges, 6 times more potassium than in bananas, 50% fiber per serving, more magnesium than in coconut water, twice as much calcium as milk. This is baobab fruit. Now that I see your interest, let's start by the science behind. The baobab fruit grows evidently on the baobab tree. The species we will be focusing most on is called, and that's difficult, Adansonia digitata, that grows in Africa. Adansonia digitata is difficult to pronounce, but what about monkey bread tree or tree of life? Those are other names for the baobab tree, or call it simply baobab. Anyway, when you look at it, it's an impressive tree. The baobab tree has been around for thousands of years, and many baobab trees are believed to be over 150 years old. Now, when we say believed to be, it's because the baobab trees does not have any rings. Baobab tree reach height of 30 to 40 meters and have a huge trunk, often 8 to 15 meters in diameter, with limbs sticking out that are leafless most of the time. The limbs look more than roots, and this is how the baobab tree earned the upside down tree nickname. Not impressed yet? Well, then maybe you need to have a drink inside a baobab tree. Yes, the Sunland Big Baobab in South Africa is 30 meters in circumference, as it has a full bulb in the trunk of the tree and has been carbon dated as 6,000 years old. Now, what about the baobab fruit? It looks like a small coconut. It has a hard shell and weighs about 1 kilo. Inside the fruit, there is a pulp, which most of the time is already dried. Cut the fruit, and you are left with little cubes of baobab fruit pulp. Amazingly, baobab fruit pulp is one of the most nutrient-rich fruit on the planet. What makes it so special? If you take, for example, blueberries and cranberry, they are supposed to be the kings of the antioxidant. If you need a boost, you grab some berry, and they are loaded with antioxidant. Or you could grab some baobab fruit, and it has 6 times the antioxidant of blueberries and cranberries. The baobab fruit even has double the antioxidant of the acai berry. The baobab fruit is considered now as the new king of antioxidant. Antioxidant levels are measured by something called ORAC. The ORAC value of baobab fruit pulp is 1400 per gram. Blueberry are only 65. Pomegranate are 105, and goji berries are 125. If you need some vitamin C, take orange. Well, sure, Unless you want 6 times more vitamin C, then you grab baobab fruit. We all like to work out, get some exercise, so it's always great to have a banana to replace the potassium we lose. Baobab fruit has 6 times the potassium of bananas. Baobab fruit is made of 50% dietary fiber. The total fiber split is 75% soluble fiber and 25% insoluble fiber. You understand why now we design Baolife around the baobab fruit. So Baolife, our new nutritional product, have 5 major ingredients. Of course, the first one is the pulp of baobab fruit. Second, glucomannan from konjac. Third, inulin from chicory. Fourth, vitamin C from acerola. And fifth, cranberry juice powder from the cranberry called Vaccinium macrocarpone. Now, glucomannan is a dietary fiber. It is usually made from the root of the konjac plant. Glucomannan might work in the stomach and intestines by absorbing water to form a bulky fiber, helping reducing appetite. It may also slow the absorption of sugar and cholesterol from the gut, helping to control sugar level. Inulin from chicory. Inulin is a naturally occurring polysaccharide produced by many types of plants, but most often extracted from chicory. Inulin is considered of one of the best prebiotics, which means a food ingredient that's highly nourishing our gut microflora and enhances the growth and activity of good bacteria, and also inhibit growth of or activity of certain pathogenic bacteria. Vitamin C from acerola. Acerola is a tropical fruit-bearing bush. The common name is acerola cherry. It is known for being extremely rich in vitamin C. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a source of polyphenol, including proanthocyanidins, flavonols, and quercetin. Those compounds are being studied for possible effects on the cardiovascular system and the immune system. Cranberry juice is safe and have several potential benefits as fighting age-related damages, improving heart health, preventing urinary tract infection, and supporting digestive health. Those 5 ingredients are combined in the Baolife, giving to this product health benefit that very few products in the world can claim. First, the cumulative antioxidant level from baobab fruit and cranberry make this product ideal for helping DNA repair, because as we know, oxidation is the major cause of DNA damages. The benefit may help us to live longer in good health, not only by protecting our DNA, but also by reducing inflammation. DNA damage through oxidation appears also in the mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondria are these little organelles specialized in converting food into energy called ATP. Mitochondria are our power battery, and helping mitochondria means more energy available, more sustained energy, better recovery from exercise. The second benefit comes from our guts. As you may know, our guts control almost everything in our body, including our brain. He does that through our microbiome, which represent 100 times more cells than human cells and several million genes against only 30,000 in our human cells. Our gut bacteria have a deal with our human cells. If we feed them well, they will help us to fight against diseases. This is why in our food we need a lot of fibers, and baobab fibers combined with inulin are the perfect food for our bacteria. We call them prebiotics. This deal will help our brain and promote mental clarity, focus and memory. It will improve sleep quality and boost the immune system. The third benefit is about appetite. Thanks to the baobab fruit and the galactomanian from konjac, we can control our appetite, and this is very important while you try to lose weight or to maintain a healthy, good glucose level. Other benefit? Yes, liver protection, improve iron levels, regulate the digestive function acting as an adaptogen, which means that Baolife can be beneficial for diarrhea or constipation, helping to prevent urinary and other infection. How to use it? Take 1 teaspoon, which means 10 grams, to be diluted in 200 milliliters of water. Take 1 or 2 times a day or even more if needed. Enjoy Baolife. My name is William Amzalag and I am Generation Young. See you at our next episode. Bye-bye.